Down in Louisiana in my old hometown, there's a little place I used to hang around. Catfish Joe's at the head of the bayou. That's where my baby and me used to go. Fill our bowls with a filet gumbo, dance all night on the banks of the bayou. Fry our catfish up by the pound and listen to the band with a Cajun sound. Sound. Everybody said it was the best in town. Crowd dance swimming in the Louisiana swamp. Me and my baby do the Louisiana stomp. Fill our bowls with a filet gumbo, dance all night on the banks of the bayou. Fry our catfish up by the pound and listen to the band with a Cajun sound. Cajun sound. Everybody said it was the best around. One of the fellows had a fiddle and a bow, and he played lots of tunes about the old bayou. Fill our bowls with a filet gumbo, dance all night on the banks of the bayou. Fry our catfish up by the pound and listen to the band with a Cajun sound. Listen to the band with a Cajun sound. Listen to the band with a Cajun sound. Listen to the band with